Hello students. So in today's maths class we are going to learn something new, which is the pattern. Okay, and which is there in your maths book on page number 42. Right children? And before starting the patterns, what we are going to do, we are going to revise the previous work. In yesterday's class we did before, after and between concept, in which before means पहले, after means बाद में, and between means बीच में. किसी दो डिजिट्स के बीच में हमसे पूछा जाएगा कि इसके between में क्या डिजिट आएगी. Like what comes before 3? So we already know this. 1, 2, 3. So 2 comes before 3, right? And if I ask you what is going to come after 10, so I'm sure you all are going to answer me it's 11, right? So, and between, if I ask you what comes in between 25 and 27, now tell me. Yes, so 26 comes between 25 and 27, right? And children, did you do this fill in the blanks? These fill in the blanks. Question number 3, है ना? We did it in CW, and I hope you all have done your CW and your HW. HW was on page number 40 and CW was on page number 41. I hope you all have done it. Right? Great. So children, let's start our work today. Open your maths book and open page number 42, which is patterns. What is pattern? Pattern होता है if अगर मैंने लिखा हुआ है A, ठीक है. So children, what is pattern? See, carry on the pattern. So first part is there is a slanting line, है ना? First line is like this, then this, then this, then this, then there are 4 blanks. So first ऐसे थी, फिर सेकंड ऐसे, थर्ड ऐसे, फोर्थ ऐसे. तो अब ये ऐसी है तो हमें कैसे ड्रॉ करनी है? Like this. Then we have to draw a line like this. Then this, then this. So we are continuing this pattern. ठीक है, हम एक पैटर्न को फॉलो कर रहे हैं ना और आगे कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. So this is called the carry on the pattern. Now let's see the second one. There is a sign. Its mouth is open in left side. Its mouth is open in right side. Left, right, left, right. Now we are going to make a sign like this. Left, right, left, right. Right? Isn't it easy? Now the third one. There is a triangle. There are 3 sides. There is a triangle. Then we have a circle. Then we have a triangle. Then we have a circle. Then we are going to draw a triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Right? Now let's see. Point number 4. There is a circle. Then again circle. Then a triangle. 2 circles. So 2 circles, triangle, 2 circles. Now we are going to draw a triangle or circles. We are going to draw a triangle. Then we are going to draw 2 circles. Right? Now the fifth one is triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, then circle. Because after rectangle there is a circle. So we are going to draw a circle. Now after circle what is there? A triangle. After triangle there is a rectangle. Right? Now there are some arrows. Upward, left, downwards, right. Upward, left, downward, right. ठीक है? Now there is a triangle and on its upper side there is a circle. Now the circle is on left side. Now in this picture the circle is on right side. Circle is on upper side. So after upper side the circle is on left side. So we are going to make a triangle and we are going to draw a circle on left side. Now again a triangle and draw a circle right side, then upwards, then again left side. Right, now see the 8th part. There is a triangle and circle, then we have the circle with square, then we have the square with triangle, then triangle with circle again, है ना? So we have after triangle and circle, what we're going to draw? We're going to draw circle and square. Now after circle and square, square and rectangle, then triangle and circle, then circle and square. Right, so let's understand this concept on board now. Alright, so before that, children, page number 42 was your CW, and page number H, question number 1 and page number 43 is your HW, and question number 2 is your CW that we are going to do now. Alright, so let's start this work. Let's start. So the first one is, there is a slanting line, right, towards right, then towards left, then towards right, then towards left. Then there is a open mouth at left side, then we have it right side, then left side, then right side. Right, on number 3 we have the triangle, then we have the circle, then triangle, then circle, and on the 4th side we have a triangle and then 2 circles. Right, on the 5th part, what we have? On 5th part, what we have? We have a triangle, then rectangle, then circle, then triangle, then rectangle. So what after rectangle, what we are going to draw? We are going to draw a circle, then triangle, then rectangle. Now on the 6th part, we have the line drawn towards left, then downwards, then right. Okay. In question number 7, we have a triangle on which the circle is on left side, then on the right side, then on the upper side, and then again on the left side. Now on the 8th part, we have the circle and square, then we have square and triangle, then we have triangle and circle, then circle and square. Right, so I hope you all have understood this, page number 42. So let's move towards page number 43 and question number 2, as question number 1 is your HW. So children, what do we have on question number 2? We have the carry on the pattern. Right, so the first one is 71, 72, 73. Right, 71, 72, 73. So this is a simple counting. So what comes after 73? 74, 75, 76, 77 and 78, then 79. So this is a simple counting, क्योंकि 71, 72, 73 इसमें कुछ भी बीच में छूटा हुआ नहीं है. So we are going to write as it is. Now the B part, 62, 64, 66. On this part, 62, what comes after 62? 63, but 63 is not there. So we are going to write it 62, skip 63, write 64, skip 65, write 66. Then we will skip one digit and write another digit. 66, 67 we are not going to write. 68, 70, 72, 74, 76 and 78. Right, so we are skipping one digit and writing the other digit. Now let's see the part number C, which is part number C is 83, 85, 87. So in this also we have skipped one digit, so we are going to skip one digit here also. Like 87, what comes after is 87, 88, but we are not going to write 88, we are going to write 89. Then 91, 93, 95, 97 and 99. Right, so हम उतना ही लिखेंगे जितने हमारे पास blanks available हैं. Right children, so see on the board also I have write 64, 65, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. Now 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78. Now 89, 90, 93, 95, 97 and 99. So children, this was your CW, and question number 1 will be your HW. I'll share the picture of the HW with you. Alright, bye.